Hey, did you know that companies are actually looking for people like you to sponsor? I know it sounds crazy because we're so used to hearing how getting sponsored is only for big-time tournament anglers. But the truth is, it's the way brands do their marketing. I'm going to share 3 secrets with you today that are going to revolutionize the way you can win sponsorships in the outdoor world. I'm Bob Martin, and I'm the founder of the World Fishing Alliance, and now we've set out to help outdoor lovers like you set themselves up to win sponsorships in addition to growing their authority and growing their audience. So what's this all about? It's the Sponsorship Secret System from the Outdoor Profits Academy. It's the best and only training program for the outdoor enthusiast, whether it's fishing or hunting, to learn how to get sponsored, be better for your sponsors, and to grow your audience. And I know what you're probably thinking. Companies only sponsor the big name people with huge followings and assistants and all kind of people to do their social posting. And I'm here to tell you it's just not true. I'm going to show you a great way you can get noticed by brands looking for people to sponsor and to get top consideration from pro staff managers. So I'm going to share with you 3 secrets about the Sponsorship Secret System and how you can profit from our training. Secret number 1 is that being able to present yourself to a potential sponsor with confidence is super important, and it's really easy to do. The main thing to understand here is that it only takes about 30 minutes to do this, and once you do, you're set apart from the competition on autopilot, like going to your go-to waypoint where you know you'll catch fish. This is key because this piece is something that others aren't doing, and it practically takes no time at all, and it's free. And secret number 2 is you can easily set yourself apart from 99% of the competition by building a list. Yes, a list. And it's very important. The main thing to understand here is that we've talked to tons of pro staff managers, and each one I've asked the question, how many people who apply actually have any kind of a list? And I always get crickets for an answer. And this means with just a simple tweak in how you do things, you can immediately separate from others when you're applying for pro staff. And it's not hard to do, that's the crazy part. Imagine having a tribe of raving fans available at the push of a button and not being at the mercy of a social media algorithm to sell your sponsor's gear. And the third secret is you can get free evergreen traffic to your sponsor's offers, and your sponsors will absolutely love you. Now there are tons of ways to send free traffic to your sponsor's offers, but you really only need one. And this is important because when you know how to do this the right way, and it's evergreen, and your sponsors know you can do this, you set yourself apart. You're automatically at the top of the list. Now I know what you're thinking. It's a huge hassle to do all of this, and I'm nervous to talk to a big bad pro staff manager. Well, the tricky thing is that know that they're people just like you, they're not going to bite, but you don't realize that they need you. And pro staff managers are looking for you. It's the new way they sell their gear. They need more of you to help promote their products. It's the way business is done in today's world. You might be asking, Bob, how do I do all of this? So I've developed this training so you can set yourself up to get to the top of the list and get those pro staff opportunities you've always wanted. This is years of marketing knowledge and years of pro staff conversations condensed into a super useful training that'll help you get noticed and also offer you an opportunity to cash in. And so what this is going to do is help you set up your socials so it's in sync, help you build a list of raving fans, help you get free traffic to your sponsor's offers, and help you present yourself professionally and confidently to brands looking for people like you. And best of all, you'll become certified from the Outdoor Profits Academy, so pro staff managers will immediately know you've made the investment in yourself and you're serious about helping them sell more gear. So what I've done is I've created the Outdoor Profits Academy. If you click the link, you can get access to the Outdoor Profits Academy today at special early bird pricing with this amazing offer. I honestly don't know how much longer this is going to be available, because we only have 9 spots open for this founding member or pre-spawn offer, and the prices are definitely going to go up. because we'll be adding even more amazing content to this training. So those who land this offer will get all future editions and content upgrades for free. So click the link and grab it today while it's still available. We're always here to help, and I can't tell you all the amazing results we've gotten for our students just like you who are struggling to land pro staff gigs. And as one of the many special bonuses to this offer, I'm going to include membership in the World Fishing Alliance Buyers Club, so you'll get your gear practically at cost, which is amazing and makes this epic offer practically free. Click the link below and join the school of people who want to become sharks at landing sponsorships. Hope your lines are always tight, and I can't wait to see you on the inside.